Hi everyone, this is Ron Couming from RCS Technology Solutions, where we help business owners and entrepreneurs just like you achieve even greater success by attracting, converting, and retaining their ideal customers and clients. Welcome to this training series called 25 Ways to Grow Your Instagram Account Quickly and Organically. And in this segment, we are going to talk about why you should work on your captions. Instagram is predominantly a visual platform, but good captions can absolutely take your photo to another level. Some of my all-time best performing photos have had good captions to go with them. Think about witty, honest, or heartfelt captions that you can use. They can be short, they can be long. What matters is that your caption captures someone's attention within the first few words. If you have any questions about this tip, please feel free to reach out to me, Ron, at RCS Technology Solutions, to clarify anything that may not have been clear and see what we can do to help you achieve even greater success.